Welcome to Chapter 14, Network Security Basics. In this chapter, we'll continue strengthening our understanding of network defenses. You'll discover practical tools and techniques that protect data, prevent intrusions, and ensure secure communication. Let's move forward and see how strong security keeps networks safe and trustworthy. 11. Which device connects multiple devices within the same local area network, LAN? A. Router. B. Switch. C. Bridge. D. Modem. Correct answer. B. Switch. Explanation. A switch forwards data within a LAN by sending it only to the intended device, improving efficiency. 12. What is port scanning commonly used for? A. Identifying open communication channels on a system. B. Encrypting network traffic. C. Blocking unauthorized users. D. Monitoring bandwidth usage. Correct answer. A. Identifying open communication channels on a system. Explanation. Attackers often use port scanning to discover which services are running and exploitable. 13. What type of malware is designed to spread across networks without user intervention? A. Trojan. B. Worm. C. Virus. D. Spyware. Correct answer. B. Worm. Explanation. Worms replicate themselves and spread automatically through networks, often causing large-scale disruptions. 14. Which layer of the OSI model is primarily responsible for end-to-end communication? A. Network layer. B. Transport layer. C. Session layer. D. Application layer. Correct answer. B. Transport layer. Explanation. The transport layer ensures reliable delivery of data using protocols like TCP. 15. Which protocol is used to securely access a remote computer? A. Telnet. B. FTP. C. SSH. D. SNMP. Correct answer. C. SSH. Explanation. SSH provides secure remote login by encrypting communication, unlike Telnet, which sends data in plaintext. 16. What is the purpose of a DMZ in network security? A. To provide faster internet access. B. To isolate external-facing services from the internal network. C. To create wireless access points. D. To encrypt sensitive data. Correct answer. B. To isolate external-facing services from the internal network. Explanation. A DMZ separates public services like web servers from private internal networks, reducing attack risk. 17. Which type of attack floods a network with excessive traffic to disrupt normal operations? A. Man-in-the-middle. B. Denial of service. C. Phishing. D. SQL injection. Correct answer. B. Denial of service. Explanation. DOS attacks overwhelm resources, preventing legitimate users from accessing services. 18. Which security measure ensures that data is not altered during transmission? A. Integrity. B. Confidentiality. C. Availability. D. Authentication. Correct answer. A. Integrity. Explanation. Integrity ensures data remains accurate and unmodified, often verified through hashing. 19. What is the purpose of network segmentation? A. To make networks more complex. B. To divide a network into smaller isolated parts for security. C. To eliminate the need for firewalls. D. To increase internet speed. Correct answer. B. To divide a network into smaller isolated parts for security. Explanation. Segmentation limits the spread of attacks and improves overall network control. 20. Which tool is commonly used to analyze network traffic? A. Wireshark. B. Excel. C. SSH. D. Firewall. Correct answer. A. Wireshark. Explanation. Wireshark is a packet analyzer that allows administrators to capture and examine network traffic in detail. Thank you for watching. Every step you take in learning network security makes you stronger against cyber threats.